Throughout this bitter blast, many of you sent in good questions about the cold.
A lot of them, but the top two are about noisy houses and wind chill. So how do they measure wind chill, and why does my house creak and pop when it's cold? Here's Heather Brown.
It can be scary. A big bang, like maybe your house is also complaining about the weather. We've answered this one a few times, and each time the experts tell us, don't worry, it's normal when the temperatures drop this quickly. You see, houses are made of different materials, steel, wood, vinyl, and those expand in heat and contract in cold. They just do it at different rates. So when the different materials rub up against each other, you get your pop, your screech, your boom. And builders know this, so they plan for your house to have a little give. All right, let's do wind chill, because a lot of you know the formula changed back in 2001. The idea is that the new formula is a more realistic measure. But what it also is not as extreme. So let's take a look at the records. For the Twin Cities, our record low wind chill was negative 67 degrees back in 1936. In the old chart, that would have been negative 87. Today, the lowest we've gone is negative 55. But for all of Minnesota, the record low wind chill is negative 71 degrees. That was set in various spots around northern Minnesota in 1982. That would have been negative 100 the old way. Today's low wind chill, 66 in Ponsford. So while we may not be breaking any records today, that's okay. It's still really, really, really cold. Heather Brown, WCCO 4 News.
Agreed, Heather. If you have a good question for Heather, just email it by going to WCCO.com/links.